Then we had this pullback and then rip up, and action is very tricky right now, being taken advantage of people. All right, cool. We're live. Good morning, everybody. We had a CPI inflation information come out, and that was 6.3% core, 7.7%. Previously was 8.2%. Thought to be 8.1%. Came out as 7.7%. As far as core goes, it was previously 6.6%. Thought to be even slightly more, 6.7%. And actually came under at 6.3%. So we are actually deflating the economy. This is good. Deflating, yeah. I'm not sure if that's the right word for it. But there you go. And so as you can see here, the market had a huge positive reaction to that. And now I do believe we are just going to run highs today. That's going to be the game plan. I'd like to buy on dips if I can. Meantime, I guess I'll take grinding up action. So we'll see how it plays out. But I do believe that we're probably going to be hunting highs today. And it's kind of odd, but on that, gold went up. So inflation down, gold goes up, stock market goes up, gold goes up. I mean, it's some really wacky gold. Gold is on a very strange correlation right now. Anyway, and then we're also, okay, we've got about 5 minutes till the market opens. We're also watching a couple of momentum stocks this morning. Looking good probably is Rivn, not so much momentum, but it's moving. It's up a lot. It looks like on earnings. It was $28 yesterday, and now it's at $33 and looking good. Yeah. Yeah, Chris just said it. We are successfully crashing the economy, and the market loves it. Yeah. So I'm going to be mostly focused on how the market trades this morning. And then you momentum traders, there's hardly an opportunity there. There's not much going on. And in fact, Veru looks like probably had an offering, and it is down substantially, like 70%. So we've got really not much on the momentum front, but things could heat up. If today really puts in a lot of green, it could heat up. By the way, remember class tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And let me know what you'd like to discuss during class. Okay, Veru had an FDA rejection. Thank you. But it kind of doesn't matter what it was. It's down 70%. So gold is kind of leading the way. It's interesting. Gold is still going up. I'm going to grab some more of it. Give it to me. Yeah, it should in a second here. Trading this market today is going to be interesting. Like I say, I do believe it's going to be hunting highs. That doesn't mean we aren't going to go low and have pullbacks. So got to remain on your toes. I think the first buying area will be at the first peak region of the reaction this morning. So you'll find that on all your charts, right around the first peak region, and then it pulled back and then got bought up right in there. And I do believe we'll have some buying to cover off of the open. Ready, we're having some action right now. What was that, Amazon? Okay. I would have a bullish bias, but that doesn't mean it's just going to go up all day. There'll be pullbacks and there'll be W's and there'll be V's and there'll be all kinds of valleys and peaks, shaking off of the fleas and the pests of the market to try to get the big investors their allocations. You will be tricked out of your trades. You'll be shaken out. And that is why you really need to wait for tasty pullbacks. But it's okay, to try and get some momentum also, to catch momentum breakouts. Just make sure that you scalp those out as soon as they decelerate every time. All right, so we got to get a game plan here. We got 1 minute to go. I guess Amazon's going more, Chris, because I'm seeing this push right now. All right, that's a little bit of a break for me that I could take. Right. I can't even see any detail with that giant candle in the way. All right, Mark's going to be opening any second here. Here we go. I believe we're going to be getting some covering right away. Those who couldn't access pre-market. There we go. Get off my screen. Hey, we're pushing up more. All right, I'm just going to take my little scalp right there. There seems to be some deceleration, but that doesn't mean it can't fly more. I'm just going to be probably looking for a pullback soon here. TikTok would not show your live until about a minute ago. Weird. Why? Did it have a message? Yeah, see, there's that kind of choppy action up here now. So that could kick off a downtrend. We'll see. Been on TikTok live for a bit. No reason. I searched your name and it just showed your old videos. No live notification. Oh, all right. What's up, Lucas? Does the man know he can stream? Yeah, I know. Yes, Lucas, I do know that. Yeah. Okay, let's pay attention to the market. All right, that's it. I want to go short, and now I'm going to be looking for a short. First short for me will be at 11,357. That's coming right up. It's coming back up. Might not give you the opportunity. 11,357 on the NASDAQ. Short entry 11,357. Okay, it's coming right back up to it. All right, there, I got my fill short. Now let's see what the market does with that. Is it going to be, what kind of a day is it going to be? Let's see. Yeah, Pale's already posting the exact same trade that I'm doing right now. We're on the same page, but that doesn't mean it's going to happen. But we understand that the probabilities are high for that right now. Oh, that was me exiting gold, by the way. I was just doing a quick extra scalp on gold. Bucks out of that as the market pulls back. It seems to be correlated 100% with the market right now, which is very rare. All right, we're getting the anticipated drop. Looks like a head and shoulders essentially on the 5-second. Do you stream better quality anywhere else, Twitch or YouTube? Yeah, I'm on Twitch and YouTube as well. But if you want the highest quality stream, that's for members. I'm on a Zoom. It's full screen. You're seeing like way more in the membership. But just click the link in my bio for a lot of options. So I am pretty much going to stay in this until price target, regardless of how zigzaggy it gets, unless I stop out. All right, I'm going to go look at those momentum stocks. Redfin doing all right. Rivn just hanging out around 32.50-ish. Yeah, none of the momentum stocks really doing anything. Most important thing going on right now is the market. It looks like buyers, banks are not interested in buying right now because of that huge unnegotiated area. It looks like that's how it's behaving. It could be too bad for them and it starts running on a FOMO run. That could very much happen. But the big demand seems to be awaiting for a fair renegotiation of the gap area. So I would put first profit targets at the top of the gap. Okay, here we go. And for me, the top of the gap is like 11,235. But I mean, it could show up differently on everybody's, whether you're looking at SPY or QQQ or ES or NQ. Shorting. I'll add if we pull back about 50% off of that last leg at 11,349. What's up, everybody? Nobody's talking. Who's short? Is everybody short with me here? Right. RJ's in. RJ, are you simulated practicing in Trade of Aid or with real money? What's up? What are you doing there? How are you doing it? Short paper trading Tatum. Good job. Yeah, says Cobra. Oh no, CPR Browning or something. Nothing goes straight down. This will be a scraggly shakeout journey to your profit target. Okay. So you could even get shaken out. Strength along the way could be a sign that the ultimate price target might not even be reached. That's what I was exactly what I was thinking, dude. This other dude says we're real quiet because we're all bag holding calls. That's what I was worried about. Everybody was just like quiet as fucking crickets as the market's dropping, going like, too funny, too funny. I'm just looking for a better gold long entry here for the day because it seems to be correlated with the market and gold seems to be moving really nicely. And then I'm looking for a long entry. I think, the real story here is that we're looking for a long entry. Oh, I'm going to put a trailing stop on this other system here. We'll check. Two. Wow, with that much strength and movement, I'll go real tight. Literally going to the 2.5 MA on system. 2.5 MA moving average EMA, the 2.5 for my stop on one system over here. And I do that by taking the 30 EMA on the 5-second chart. Do the math on that. If I get it, I believe it's the 2.5. Fucking do you do the math on that? Fuck you. I don't know. Take 60 divided by 5 and then divide 30 by that or something. I think it's a 2.5 MA. Look, we're getting really close to our profit target, which is going to be a long entry, by the way. So we're going to have to flip down there. And as we get really close to that, we may have a strong reaction. I'm going to go ahead and get out right there, and I'll get back in if that's what's going to happen. Because homie don't give back gains. There we go. I'm out. And I'm out on the other system. I just need to be out on this one. There we go. Right. Now I'm looking for re-entry. So I'll go over to the 1 minute for that. And I'm looking at probably 11,309. Which is right where it just bounced. Well, it's possible I missed that, but possibly not. I think, wait, no, I can move it up before I get injury. Oh, that was close. Okay. I think we might be filling this balance right here first. 11,327. Doesn't really show up on the 1 minute, but it does exist. Trying for here, 11,327-ish. 25 on this system cell. Six on this one cell. 25.75. Okay, fine. All right, we'll see what happens. It might not continue from here. That could have been the bottom it wanted to bounce off of. Let's take a look and analyze that. No, I think it still has more to go. There we go. That's entry, and I could get stopped out of that. Let's see what happens. Oh, it was the instant bounce right off of that. Reject, instant reject. That's a good sign, but I didn't get filled on my other two systems. Oh, yes, I did. I got filled on 2 out of 3 systems, and I missed it over here by, looks like, a quarter of a point. Which is fine, because maybe it'll come back up. I might get stopped out on the other ones. Who knows what goes on here? Okay, with that. Chris says, my guys are looking for a pullback to 3,200 and a sharp snap back on SB 500, looking for 14x EPS. On what? Oh, 14x EPS. Oh, overall, like on the daily, like as far as a global S&P 500 EPS. Gotcha. Okay. Your CFO. Gotcha. Okay, that was a bit of a reversal right there. Momentary. We'll see how long it lasts. But this is me cutting out of that as soon as we get some zag. There we go. I'm out on one system on the short and cutting short there on the other system. Okay, that's managing your stops and lifetime. And the other system was automatic. Had a trailer on it, trailing stop. All right, but I did get that move all the way from 11,375 to 11,275, so 100 points. Very good. That's $200 per contract. And gold is zooming back up. See, gold seems to be leading. I need to be actually watching that a little bit more closely. It looks like gold seems to be leading the market. Very interesting. It's been doing that since the CPI print. Every rally's been led by gold. Same RJ. I'm not sure what you're talking about, RJ, but okay. If we are going up right now, then entry would be on a pullback. So you don't get in now. Where I cut out of that other trade could have been an entry, but we could just be equalizing. See, this is what, here, let me show you guys something. Pay attention to my screen. So this is the range from the open to the low right now. From the high today, not pre-market, today, to the low. And right now we're right in the middle. So right in the middle is, we could go either way land. But as we start to bounce off of that middle and move upward, we're probably hunting highs. Did have a little bit of a pullback and confirmation off of that middle area. I'll take a little bit of that light on 1 out of 3 systems. If we follow through, stop loss underneath that area there, target above or at the highs. Got the entire move from the, gotcha, Randy. Awesome. Awesome. And I didn't read back. How did you do that? Are you TraderBait? Let's see, RJ, real cash and paper. Nice. Paper trading on the coast, watching the storm roll in. Adam, where are you? There we go. That was a very nice move up right there. I'll be able to put my stop a bit lower. See what I'm talking about? We made a low and we made a high. We got back to center. From there, it needed to take some direction and start to lean to one side. And from there, it's going to go on a liquidity hunt to whatever side that is at that moment, so it's a little scalp. No big deal. Cape San Blas, San Blas, San Blas, Cape San. Where is that, buddy? Help me out here. Probably, if the market's going to go back down at all, it's probably going to sweep those highs, because why not? It's so high up there. Why not sweep those stops? I'm going to go ahead and put my stop above break even. This was just a little scalp. I don't really believe that we came back enough to create the full bull run. There we go. We are at the highs, and I'm about to miss my exit, but I think we're going to sweep those highs. There we go. So I got a full exit on that. Very nice. It was 2.1, 2 to 1. But by the time I got my break even on it, it was much better. So now we're overvalued. We're at the highs. Comes with a lot of skepticism, and we may work our way back towards equilibrium on the day, or maybe half to equilibrium, depending on how bullish the market is. Right now, everybody wants to try to keep testing those highs. Keep testing those highs. I don't believe there's really enough institutional backing up here until we retest the new. Okay, hang on. I got to grab this. This is a mark. This is a structure breakdown. Sell, sell. Okay, boom. Oh, yes. That is a beautiful breakdown of structure right there. If I can get another contract short on this on a slight pullback up, I shall. But I don't know. This looks pretty strong. I'd love to get a lot more of this. And then maybe we get back to equilibrium and hit the lows. There we go. Right about here. Not in, as a matter of fact. Trade, sell. That number is 11,385. I just hit for keep some risk on the trade. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, I wanted to grab more on my other systems. Didn't quite get it there. Let's see. I'm getting semi second opportunity. Sell. Boom. And oh, Dondrell, yeah. Dondrell, if you like, we can talk more about that in class tonight. Just let me know what was super uh, interesting. Then I will go more in depth on that. Right. It might not work out right now. Let's see. Maybe one more liquidity grab at the top here. Worth the risk. We got some structure break at the top. Microstructure. See how it broke that low on a strong pullback, grinding back up. It's putting that whole top at risk. I may just got stopped out on one system. Got one contract stopped out there, but we are rejecting. So I just got shaked out. That's what I was telling you. Shakeout kind of day. There we go. Now we're ripping down. Those bastards peeled one contract from me, but that's all right. Yep, and Pale just posted the short. He likes it because we are at the top of that whole value range today, and we didn't even renegotiate the gap, the imbalance area. So you got to understand, nobody really has any true conviction on price right now because we have a whole area that nobody got a chance to haggle about. We got to get back down to the gap and haggle about it. It doesn't have to happen today though. It could happen in a week, it could happen in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it takes a long time sometimes to get back to those areas. But there's not going to be enough buying in the market until we do. All right. Testing my final contract here. We are going on a little bit more of an extension. And if we eject off this region, then maybe we have flipped bullish. But if we continue, if we reject off this region, it's 20% extension of the whole so far. And we do have some short confirmation. Now, the system wanted me to look at CPRX for swing trade. Let's see. Not particularly. All right, how's the other stocks going? Let's see. Let's let that gestate for a second. Open Door, Redfin, Rivn. Yeah. Not a lot of conviction in the market right now. As far as breadth goes across the whole market. And there we go. Some continuation to the upside. I think probably Pale's about to post no go. Got to peel a contract off here. Go flat. So this is good movement. Long. Now we'll be looking for kind of that first pullback. We can get a pullback entry. However, we're almost at the end of the stream here, this morning's stream. Did not send my order. I think it didn't. Okay, very good. So now over the next 10 to 20 minutes, we need to be looking for a first pullback. But that's it for the morning stream. I'll be posting along with Pale continued market trading analysis in the market trading channel in the group. A quick look at the momentum stocks. I don't think anything's happening too much. Looks pretty flat. And final notes, let's see. You're welcome, RJ. Advanced decline 15 to 1. So this could be quite a bullish day. We have a 15 to 1 advanced decline. And rates are dropping super strong. Okay, see you guys in the group. Right on. Let's see.